Here we will see super keyword in Python. Python super function is used for accessing the methods and properties of the base class or superclass. Super function returns an object that represents the parent class. Basically, a super function returns a proxy object. The benefits of using super functions are: we don't need to remember the parent class name while using the super function. This is because we don't have to specify the name of the parent class to access the methods present in it. We can use the super function with a single inheritance and multiple inheritance. The super function in Python implements code reusability and modularity, as there is no need for us to rewrite the whole function again and again. And the super function in Python is known as dynamical function, as we all know that the Python is dynamically typed programming language. Different constraints of using super functions are: the arguments are given in super function and the arguments in the function that we have called should match. Every occurrence of the method that we are using should include the super keyword after we use it. And we have to specify the class and methods present in it, which are referred by the super function. General syntax for defining super function is super, type and object, where type is an optional parameter which specifies the class name whose base class method needs to be accessed, and object, which is also optional parameter which specifies an object of class or self. It returns a proxy object which represents the parent's class. We can use the super function with constructor, that is with init method. As you know, Python has a reserved method called init, which is referred as a constructor. When this method is called, it allows the class to initialize the attributes of the class. In an inherited subclass, a parent class can be referred with the use of super function. The super function returns a temporary object of the superclass that allows access to all of its methods to its child class. General syntax for defining super keyword with constructor is class, base class, then constructor for the base class with init method with parameter 1, and then class subclass which inherits base class. Then we'll define the constructor for subclass with init method. And to call superclass constructor, we will use super dot to underscore init, then to underscore and the parameter that we have defined in superclass.